Game of chance is better.
It
gives all of us equal opportunity. You can't say nominate.
Because we don't even know how
if people like you more and nominate you, then you get to have it. It's wrong. Everybody should have a fair share.
We need the money for certain stuff.
Really?
If you don't have money and you don't enter something, an event, you're evicted.
See, it's all up to all of you, to be honest. If the highest number, other number 23 or a one without anything inside, anyone without number. So guys, let's have
I say game of chance. We're not doing anything. Game of chance. We're not even contemplating.
Please, everybody come to
Please, I beg. I don't want to argue. I just get my voice back.
What is game of chance? Is game of chance?
I don't want to argue because I don't. It's not brain. It's not possible. I beg. When I don't make me argue, lost my voice this afternoon. Argue for what? Now, which kind of?
Oh, okay. So which one is the other one?
Let me tell you, irrespective of what we say here today, if we go without the game of chance, if you or anybody gets it,
let's know the
people
yes.
won't feel okay with that.
But guys, there's a point
But I
someone
tell you,
just
if
made
we
here.
went with the game of chance and
Someone just made
Everybody will be okay.
everybody will be fine.
No.
So the person who eventually gets it through the game of chance will be grateful rather than feeling that they deserved it.